Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I'm filming this part on the end actually because I forgot to film the beginning of the video. So yeah, I was so excited that I just forgot. And in next few minutes I'm gonna show you why. I don't know guys if you know or if you remember, but we have new brake discs on the front, so new pads and new discs. And I noticed when I hit the brakes my rear end lifts up, so that means these brakes that I have on the rear are pretty shitty, so we need to update that, and we will. So I will swap drum brakes for the disc brakes on this my 206. It's not easy task. It's not easy task at all, because it's not just pulling out the drum brake and putting on the discs and the calipers. No, we need to swap out the whole rear end of the car, the whole rear subframe, and that means that I have to buy the subframe and I have to rebuild it, because I'm not gonna put old subframe on the car. So yeah, I got the subframe and I have other parts, and the rebuild has begun. This morning me and my girlfriend were in Rijeka to get some part for my 206, and here it is. I've got a new rear end for the my 206. I don't know if you guys can see, but okay, we're going on the rear disc brake setup. So we're gonna have a new rear bridge, so new torsion, and brake caliper and brake disc setup. Right now on my car I have a brake drum setup, and I mean it's okay, but it's kind of a problem to use it on track, and it's pretty old technology. A lot of cars use it today on the newer model, but it's newer type of the brake drum. So I mean it's similar technology, but it's not the same. So I wanted to change something about it, because it's pretty complicated to replace them and to maintain them. So I went with this idea, with this setup, because I'm gonna be installing new brake discs, new brake pads, and I'm gonna resurrect this rear torsion bar of the Peugeot 206. I'm gonna completely repair the brake calipers. I'm gonna assemble them, and I'm gonna sandblast calipers and paint them. I don't know if I'm gonna sandblast the entire torsion bar or what I'm gonna do, but I want to paint the torsion bar as well. So these arms are gonna be painted. I'm gonna use the upper coilover shocks that I have on my car right now. The torsion bars are thicker than mine on the car right now, so that's good. And yeah, I mean in good condition, pretty good condition actually. I'm gonna need to swap over these bushings. I will see if I'm gonna use a Powerflex one or just to get OEM ones. It's gonna be a fun project for me, because I can do it wherever I want, whenever I have time to do it, because I can do it here in my I don't know how you call this. It's garage, but it's not garage because it doesn't have garage doors, just regular doors. So I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna do this, and it's gonna be fun. And yeah, So right now I'm gonna remove some parts so I can store them in the box to get sandblasted, and then I'm gonna paint them. But not today, probably some other day, but it would be like about a few seconds for you guys. So yeah. Okay, so the front part of the caliper is removed and the dust shield is removed, so I'm gonna blast sand that and I'm gonna paint that. Meanwhile, while I am doing that, I'm gonna take off this part of the caliper and reassemble all these rubber things, just to be sure they will work properly. Doing here, now I'm gonna do here and put all the parts in this box here. So yeah.
The next day.
So yeah, I completely removed this caliper and rebuild it, and I'm gonna take off this wheel bearing and like wheel mount, and same I'm gonna do on this side, and I'm gonna show you the parts that I got. This is the brake caliper rear part that I have sandblasted and painted. This is the caliper that I have rebuilt, so new sliders, new this rubber thing for the handbrake, new piston with O-rings and everything. Everything is rebuilt and working awesome. Here we have Brembo pads for the rear and new Brembo rotors for the brake swap. And it doesn't make any sense to buy new dust covers for the rear. I'm not gonna spend money on that because I have the old ones, I have sandblasted them too, and I'm gonna repaint it in the matte black, and this is gonna be just fine. Yeah, so I got them painted, they are just drying out here in the sun. It's gonna be so clean. And while that is drying out, I'm gonna remove this old wheel bearing thing and prepare for the new one.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, so the last clip that you saw was 1 day ago. Actually I was filming the vlog and the card on the camera was full, so I couldn't record the day everything that I did, but I'm gonna show you now and finish this vlog, so I just can input you, so I just can update you guys with what was done. The rear axle is ready for the rebuild, so I have pushed out all the bushings on all 4 corners, and we have taken out these wheel bearings, and we have new ones. So the next vlog the rear axle will be finished. I mean, not finished, but yeah, I'm gonna finish it. It's gonna be painted, new bushings, new wheel bearings, new I mean old calipers, but rebuilt calipers will be on. Everything will be mint condition. I'm so excited for this project, and I hope you guys are too, because on the 206 now we have the drum brakes and it kinda looks shitty. I mean, something is missing here, so yeah, and performance wise will be much better. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up anyway. Subscribe if you didn't by now, and I see you in the next vlog. Peace!